Nag-iisip ka ba kung magkano talaga ang pwedeng kitain ng MP2 mo after 5 years? Good news! May free MP2 calculator online that can help you visualize this. And yes, chinek ko to to make sure na accurate ang computation. Hi, I'm Kimi, your adulting companion, and this is part 6 of our MP2 series. Check natin itong calculator na ginawa ni Tim. Just a disclaimer, hindi ito official pag-ibig site ha, pero useful siya pang estimate at pang plano ng investment mo. Here's how it works. Step 1, select the initial remittance date. Step 2, input your contributions, which you can do in 3 ways. First, you can set a fixed monthly contribution. Just check this one. Halimbawa, 500 or 1,000 every month. Second, may option din for one-time payment. Kung may big amount ka ngayon or on a yearly basis, pwede mo i-input. For example, maghuhulog ako ng 10,000 dito and another 10,000 sa sunod na taon. Third, pwede mo rin silang i-mix, like monthly contribution plus one-time hulog. Check mo lang ito, input the contribution amount, uncheck mo, then input yung other contribution amounts. Step 3, input the interest rate per year for all 5 years. Pwede mong ilagay yung historical rates or conservative estimate kung gusto mong mas safe. Step 4 is to check sa baba ang computation. Makikita mo yung annual dividends, cumulative dividends, at total savings mo over the 5-year period. Step 5, save tracker. O diba ang Shala, you can save this link. Make sure to copy para pwede mong i-update yung progress mo or if merong any changes. Hindi ito guarantee ha, estimates lang ito. Pero malaking tulong siya para hindi ka nag-iipon ng bulag. If you found this website helpful, you can send some love to Tim. This is Kimi, your adulting companion. Sasamahan ka sa adulting journey mo. Comment MP2 Part 7 kung gusto mo ng tips para ma-maximize yung MP2 savings mo.